Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unmerge cells in Excel and keep all text. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many cells. Now, some cells are merged. Now we want to unmerge the cell. Select the cell and go to the home menu. Select the merge and center drop down menu. And we can see here the unmerge option. Now I am selected. And we can see here the text is not removed. The text is always keeping. Then we select another cell and make the cell unmerge. Click the drop down menu and choose unmerge cell option. Now we can see we unmerge cell in Excel, keep the all text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.